Mismatic.com.
We present a screen printing line for the printing of bicycle helmets. The line consists of the 3/4 automatic screen printing machine model Vertical 990 and the infrared and hot air dryer, with the final cooling module, Model Combi. The plastic sheet is screen printed, dried and thermoformed to obtain the classic shape of the helmet. The line is printing and drying 600 sheets per hour. The machine is equipped with a moving suction printing table to facilitate the loading of the sheet. The sheet is placed against automatic roll-away stops. The printing speed of the squeegee and scraper is adjustable from the control panel. The control panel is equipped with a color touchscreen monitor, which allows the machine to be controlled quickly and easily. After printing, the sheet is automatically unloaded onto the conveyor belt integrated with the machine. At this point the sheet is sent to the dryer for the drying process. After drying, the material is cooled so that it can be stacked as soon as it comes out of the dryer. The dryer Model Combi is equipped with infrared and hot air areas. Moreover, with a final cooling module, equipped with high-efficiency centrifugal fans, which allow the temperature of the material to be lowered very quickly.
Mismatic.com.